Alright guys, so first things first, let's cut the zip ties that are actually holding this thing up. Yeah, I'm afraid to say it actually has been held up by zip ties. Oh well, just help it from wobbling around. It's actually pretty secure, but it is what it is. Alright. Alright guys, so next you're just going to need a 10mm socket to remove the 10mm bolts that are holding the bumper on. Unfortunately for me, there's only one bolt that's actually holding the bumper up because the other side, the whole part was broken. So now this side is now broken free. You can see where the zip tie was holding it in. Here, I'll move this. Zip tie is now free. Alright, so now it's just these 4 pins and we should be good. I should probably get another set of these because they're actually pretty beat up. Alright. Yeah, this bumper is absolutely beat and terrible, but it's time to change it. Alright guys, so on top of this, I will be restoring my headlights. I'm going to do a video on how I exactly do this on my mom's minivan because it's really bad. But I'll just sum it up. Basically, you just want to make sure the surface is nice and clean, and then you can go about basically removing any of the oxidation, whether it's sanding down the clear coat with either actual sandpaper or compound, depending on how thick it is. So yeah, I'll just get started. Just to show people that you really don't need a machine to do this stuff, I'm going to do it by hand. So I'll be just using, this is called Diamond Cut. I think it's just regular Diamond Cut, yeah it is, which is just a compound. It's made by Detail King. They make really good products. So I will simply apply a little bit to this towel and just rub it in oscillating motions just like it was a polisher. And what you're going to notice is it's going to start stripping away any of the oxidation of the clear coat. Alright, so step 2 is simply polishing. Now this is Blue Diamond, which has a little bit of sealant in it, so it will go ahead and cover us for protecting the surface just for short term. I'd say about 2 to 3 months. Really depends on the weather, but either way it's going to completely bring out the shine inside this plastic. So that is done. Let's go ahead and just clean everything up and then try to get this bumper on. Alright, so to begin this process, let's go ahead and get these. I really don't know the name of them, so I don't want to be wrong, but let's go ahead and get these in all 4 holes. I would say 6, but I clearly don't have all 6 yet, so I'm just going to go ahead and get them in. They just seem really big for some reason. Will it fit with my intercooler? Alright, so the obvious answer to that is no. I thought there was a chance that I could maybe fit around it, but I did not video cutting the bumper because I kind of ran out of time, so I ended up dropping it off at my friend Edgar's shop, which he owns a shop called Sleeper Tuning. He's actually going to be tuning my 350Z in a couple of days. More info to come on that soon. Didn't work, so basically I had him custom cut it around the intercooler. It came out perfectly. He wired in the LED lights, and then he put in a shoot, what's the name of it? It's a intake like air duct. It's just a carbon fiber intake air duct, that's what it's called. And this is basically what the car looks like now. Obviously didn't work when I did it, so I didn't trust, because these bumpers are so hard to find. I was like, I'm not gonna risk cutting it myself, because I had to drive 3.5 hours to pick this one up. It was already color matched, so it turned out great, but this is what it looks like. As you can see, it looks pretty good.